So today I am at our Valley View data center because we have a SAN Storage Area Network that has a bad hard drive, and so I'm over here going to do a replacement. Yeah, so this will be the controller, and then you see up here, so this is the one that has the locate light on, so this must be the disk tray that has the bad drive. Alright, so unlock that. There it is. Okay, so that is the one that was expected. So disk number 10, and then should have 11, 12, 13. I believe this one is 14, which is set up as a hot spare. So we'll be able to do a replace here. There's that bad boy. Set that aside for a second, and then we're going to grab we're going to swap it over. Alright, so after pulling that over here, now it looks like the RAID is rebuilding. Now of course red, that's still showing red, so I'll go ahead and take the dead drive and put it back in here until we actually get the replacement drive. Alright, so now we'll just monitor the status via the admin console.